Hey everyone, I am Bryce, and today I am going to explain to you how to automate Instagram stories. Metricool lets you schedule and publish stories and reels directly to Instagram. However, there have been some limitations, like auto-publishing Instagram stories. Instagram has updated its API to allow third-party tools to schedule and auto-publish stories, and Metricool is part of this. Once you have created your Metricool account and connected your socials, you can schedule up to a month's worth of content across all platforms. First, simply select the Instagram icon and click on the story format. Upload your photo or video. Customize it using Metricool's editor. Choose the publishing time and save. Metricool will auto-publish it for you. Follow the same steps, but instead of uploading content, choose from thousands of royalty-free images or videos. Customize it, schedule it, and Metricool will take care of the rest. In Metricool's planner, choose the time and day, and your design will be uploaded directly. After your content is published, you can view its performance in Metricool's analytics. See metrics like impressions, reach, replies, and more to understand your audience's engagement. With Metricool, you can create, schedule, and analyze your Instagram content all in one place. On that note, that will be it for this video. I hope you guys got some value. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one.